Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install iOS launcher on the Oppo A5x. Now to download the iOS launcher on your Oppo phone, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From this list, just select your language. Then tap on Continue. From here, just tap on Continue and tap on Get Started. From here, just tap on Skip, and from here, just select a wallpaper for your smartphone. I will select this wallpaper, then tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can either pay a monthly subscription or you can tap on Continue with ads. Now just tap on the screen and tap on Set as Default. Now from this menu, just select Launcher OS and tap on Set as Default. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed iOS launcher on our Oppo phone. Just like that. Now you can also hide the navigation bar and use the gesture navigation instead. For that, just open Settings. Then tap on System and Update. From here, go to System Navigation. Now instead of buttons, just select Gestures. Now if you want to learn the gesture navigations, just tap on Learn, or you can tap on Cancel. And this is how you can download and install iOS launcher on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.